Part 4. Insulators and conductors. Acetate and polyethylene are insulators. When they gain or lose electrons, it is not easy to recover instantly from the surroundings, as charges on insulators cannot flow easily. On the other hand, when you comb your hair using a metal comb, the metal comb will never get charged. The reason is, even if it was charged by friction, electrons will flow instantly through our body to recover the charge transferred, and hence the comb remains neutral. So it is impossible to charge a conductor by friction. Electrons in insulators are tightly bounded and cannot move freely, while some electrons in conductors can move freely. In particular, metals have free electrons which move freely to conduct electricity and heat as well. Part 5. Attraction of uncharged objects. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. But we have also learned from our experience that charged objects also attract uncharged objects. A. Conductors. When a charged rod is placed close to a small piece of aluminum foil, the aluminum foil is attracted. As the foil was neutral, free electrons on it was uniformly distributed originally. When the positively charged rod is placed nearby, the free electrons are attracted, and in this case, upward. The top of the foil becomes negatively charged, and the bottom becomes positively charged, due to the uneven distribution of electrons. We call the positive and negative charges produced in this way induced charges. In short, the positively charged rod attracts the induced negative charges on the top, but repel the induced positive charges at the bottom. As the attractive force is stronger due to a shorter distance, the net force is attractive, and the foil is attracted. A negatively charged rod may also attract neutral metal foil. Read example 1 for a detailed explanation. B. Insulators. Charged objects can also attract neutral insulators. Here, pieces of paper and water are examples. When a positively charged rod is placed close to a neutral insulator such as a piece of paper, the electrons of each paper molecule is attracted towards the positively charged rod, and the electron cloud is slightly distorted, so that finally all the molecules have their negative end facing the positively charged rod, and the positive end facing the other side. So there are induced charges on the top and at the bottom, just like the case of conductors. And eventually, the pieces of paper is attracted by the charged rod. Exam link 1 investigates electrostatic forces between two spheres. And now please do check point 2.